Here we'd like to explain the Machinist Mode in the Kipware SketchPad. In the Machinist Mode, the user uses a graphic representation of the tool to simply move it around the part. And as you do, the SketchPad will record the dimensions and then automatically turn those dimensions into a G-code program. It's a very unique feature only available in the SketchPad. We can choose between feed and rapid mode, and there's a couple of other. We can choose between horizontal and vertical mode, which I'll demonstrate in our little drawing here. A couple ways that we can do this. This could be a raised boss, or it could be a pocket in the part. In our example, we're going to use it as a pocket, but if it was a raised boss, you could simply use the tool and drive it along the outside of the part. But we're going to do it, we're going to drive it along the inside of the part. First thing to do is to go and select a tool from the tool library. And this is a user-defined tool library where you can create tools for turning or milling. Here we have a half-inch round tool that we've defined in our tool library, and we're going to use that to pocket out our part. When we turn the Machinist Mode on, the mouse becomes the tool, and we can simply drive it along the part. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start here on this section of the piece, a little bit away from the wall. And of course, this is a roughing program. To finish the pocket or the boss, you can use the SketchPad automatic features, which will use the actual elements in the drawing. So the Machinist Mode is a roughing mode. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start a position here, away from the wall. I'm going to double click the mouse, and that records my position. I'm going to switch to horizontal mode, and I'm going to position the cutter over here. No matter where I put the mouse here, it will automatically be a horizontal line. Then I'm going to choose freehand mode, and I'm going to come to the next position, horizontal mode to here, and then I'm going to do some freehand machining. And now I'm going to nibble along the contour of the part. Switching to horizontal mode. And now I've completed the toolpath that I want inside that pocket. And again, of course, to finish the pocket, I would use the actual SketchPad features. What I can do now is I can go to my G-code program, and I can define my cutting parameters. My cutting parameters define the coordinates for height in the part. So here I have a clearance plane of 1 inch. I told it that the bottom surface of my pocket is minus a ½ inch. I've defined my tool in RPM, and I've defined my cutting parameters, which is my depth of cut. So the pocket is a ½ inch deep. I want to do it at 50 thousandths depth of cut. I want to do it at these feed rates. Once I select the Create Program button, the SketchPad goes through and converts my manual mode in my Machinist Mode to a depth of cut. And now I've roughed the pocket 50 thousandths increments to a ½ inch deep along the toolpath that I designed.